Dreambound. In the quiet corners of neuroscience, a radical theory has taken root, a belief that the human mind is not an isolated universe, but a single thread woven into a vast collective tapestry. According to this theory, our destinies are not shaped by our choices, but by the unconscious decisions of everyone around us. Your joy, your illness, your success, even the moment of your death. All of it determined by minds that are not your own. To test the unthinkable, a team of researchers launched the largest dream experiment in human history. Their hypothesis was simple, terrifying, and beautiful. If reality is a shared mental construction, then dreams, the purest form of thought, should reveal the architecture of that connection. They began with a single volunteer. A phosphorus-rich diet sharpened his memory. Electrodes mapped the neural storms of REM sleep, and when he drifted into dreaming, the impossible unfolded effortlessly. He flew. He spoke with relatives long gone. He became young again, because in the dream world, time does not exist, and the mind alone cannot simulate it. Then the experiment scaled. 10 dreamers, 100, 1,000. 2,000 minds linked at the threshold of sleep. Their neural rhythms synchronized like a single heartbeat. And something extraordinary happened. With each new participant, the dream world grew heavier, slower, more structured. Moments began to line up. Events followed one another. Cause and effect emerged like scaffolding rising from fog. Time, the illusion the waking world depends on, began to appear. The more minds connected, the more the dream resembled reality. Until finally, the dreamers could no longer fly. They could no longer return to childhood. They could no longer speak to the dead. The dream had become bound by the same laws that govern waking life. The conclusion was undeniable. Time is not real. It is a collective agreement, a structure created only when enough minds imagine it together. Alone, a dreamer is free. Together we build the world and the limits that define it.